So here we got the masters. There's Bang Bang. He's my instructor. And his assistant's name is Noma? Kamu? Fian. Fian. And there's Free Willy. You gonna make me a cocktail? Am I allowed to have a cocktail while I cook?
Yes.
Okay, vodka and tonic, please.
Yes.
Thanks, Willie. Okay. Such a great place here. There's only a few people in the resort, and the owner's here right now. This is one of the owner's good friends here. And it's just such a great little, tiny little resort. I mean, we're the only people on this whole island, and this is our sort of communal area. We've been here for a few days. There's John Van Stefan, who is an artist, and he's working here as well, doing a picture in charcoal, I think. Charcoal, John? And there are our friends, Gout and Beata, who are going to walk down to have a snorkel, I think. You can snorkel right here, just off the front of the beach.